Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the gasket in your LG dryer, you will need a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a Phillips bit. Unthread the 2 screws securing the door to the appliance. Having a helper hold the door is recommended. Set the door on a flat surface. Unthread the 7 screws on the door frame. Now unthread the 6 screws going into the door latch and hinge bracket. Pull off the door frame. Peel the gasket out. To install the new gasket, insert and seat the gasket over the inner rim of the door frame. Place the inner door frame onto the door. Set the door latch onto the door frame and rethread the 6 screws into the latch and hinge bracket. Rethread the 7 screws into the perimeter of the door frame. Rethread the 2 screws that secure the door to the appliance. And your dryer should be ready for use.